Hi guys, this is Sajna Benil and welcome to the Business Analysis Guide. So in this video, we'll talk about one of the topmost challenge faced by business analysts, and that is elicitation or requirements gathering. So let us look at what are the challenges a BA faces during elicitation and its impact on the project. Challenge number one, customers don't know what they want. And what is the impact of this on the project? Unwanted or waste features creep into the product. Features which give absolutely no value or very less value to the business. This proves to be very expensive to the project in the long run. Challenge number two, BA does not know the right questions to ask the customer, due to which incomplete and inaccurate requirements are captured by the BA. And the technical team is not clear about the functionality. This results in a lot of rework on the product and a lot of time, cost, and effort wasted. Challenge number three, customer keeps changing the requirement. This happens because the BA does not know how to control the changes. Frequent changes impact the project timelines and the budget. Challenge number four, customer does not give adequate information and BA does not know how to get more information. This results in incomplete feature of functionality being developed in the product and also a lot of rework. Challenge number five, BA fails to understand the business goals. This results in features that are not aligned to the business goals. That means waste or redundant features. Challenge number six, BA gathers requirements from the wrong stakeholders. This again results in rework during UAT. So you see, there are several challenges a BA faces during requirements gathering, but the end result or the impact of these challenges is that it results in a lot of rework and proves very expensive to the project. So how do we handle these challenges? Well, as a BA, you have to devise strategies that can control these challenges. So if you are a BA and you're facing any one of these challenges, I would like to invite you for a 21-day requirements domination challenge. What is this challenge? In this challenge, we will learn requirements gathering, requirement analysis, and documentation end to end, which will improve the quality of business analysis work that you're delivering on the project. Well, everyone can participate in this challenge. Even if you are not a business analyst, you can kickstart your career in business analysis by participating in this challenge. So how does this challenge work? Well, in this challenge, I will meet you in a live class every Saturday between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. You will become a silver member in our Business Analysis Hub community. In this community, we learn and grow together. You will receive lifetime career guidance from me and support from the entire group whenever you face challenges in your project. So how do you prepare for this challenge? As soon as you enroll for the challenge, we will send you some preparatory videos. So every week in the live class, I'm going to teach you one particular concept of business analysis. Week one, we will deal with requirements gathering. Week two, we'll deal with requirements analysis and documentation. Week three, we'll deal with requirements prioritization and change impact analysis. At the end of the challenge, if you have completed all the activities, you will receive a certificate of completion like this. So if you're ready to participate in the challenge, drop us an email at info@interactivelearning.in and we will get you enrolled.